Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to use Todoist for your project managing and productivity. So as you can see, this is the interface of Todoist. You need to write todoist.com and you will see this screen. So as you can see, it's very neat and clean, and obviously there's a lot of things going on which we will come to later, or maybe we will find this in future. So what we are going to do is to sign up first. We cannot log in without signing up. So we are going to sign up. Obviously these are some features we will be covering in future, so just leave it for now. We are going to sign up from here or here, from wherever you want to do it, so just go for it. I'm going from here. Now from here, as you can see, Todoist like to give you four options: Google, Facebook, Apple, and individual email. You can easily access this website. So right now we are going to do what? We are going to continue with Google. Why Google? Because I think Google is very easy to sign up, and it will remember all of my passwords in my single ID. So that's the only reason I'm going for this. And if you want to go for Facebook or Apple, or you want to go for your individual email, you can go for it. But right now I'm going for this to continue with Google. So let's continue and let's see what will happen. As you can see, this is the screen you will see. Today, add task, view, Tuesday 14 June, and this is all clean right now because we haven't added any task because we just came in, no? So right now we are going for the left panel over here. You can see there are multiple options also here, and the first one is inbox, second one is today, third one is upcoming, fourth filters and labels, and fifth is project, and sixth is personal. I think this is archived project, so you know what does it mean. Yeah, so let's go in inbox. Obviously inbox has nothing to show because we haven't added anything. In the upcoming days, you can see there's something different over here. You can see there are a lot of add tasks features are available right now, but we haven't added any. These are some default, like this: vacuum clean all rooms, do a weekly review of my tasks and goals. These all are defaults to show us how to manage this. So this upcoming Todoist, it will be for some days, weeks, years, months. So there's no limit over here. You can task any day, anywhere you want. Next, we are going for filters and labels. Let's see what it is. Filters and labels. I think we will come here later when I will be adding tasks at today. Alright, so just leave it for a while over here. Let them rest, and we need to move here at project panel, and we will go for personal. So this is the personal area where it has already made for me when I came in this Todoist for the first time. It shows add more personal routines. Obviously, these two were defaults from upcoming, and you can see here pay taxes early, empty the bins weekly. It's just giving you some suggestions to do it for your upcoming events or your task. So here you can see in inspiration, you can see 7 real life Todoist setups to steal, organizing your family's to-do list with Todoist, explore Todoist. So these are just for some tips you would like to have if you want, and there's nothing over here. These are just default tasks they have added. Obviously you can add more underneath here, add more section underneath. And if we go here, as you can see, there's a pencil over here. You can uh, edit a task, you can set the due date, you can comment, I guess. Yep, you can comment. So let's see, we are here, all right? Or maybe we will go for today. So we are here, we're gonna add some tasks, all right? So this is the task I'm going for. Pick up grocery, I guess. So it's a today task and it will be in the inbox too. Obviously you can set the description if you want, and add labels. If you add labels, this task will show in this area, in this filters and labels area. If you prioritize this will also show in filters and labels area. And this one is a reminder. If you want to set a reminder, you can from here and just press add task. It will add it in our task and it will be added in our inbox too. It shows today. So this is whole theme is going on right now. Now we are moving further. So as you can see, we have done everything from here, everything from here. Now we have left these area, right? So let's go, and it's very common, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So let's go with this first because it's just closing this panel. If you want to open it or close it, just click here. No? And if you want to, like, if you are sitting here and you just want to go here, there's a lot of tasks you have added here, and you just want to go at home, you will want to go at today, so just click on this. You will come back to today. So wherever you are, just press this will bring you at today task. And obviously this is a research, and obviously this is a search task, and obviously this is the search area where you can search your task and everything from here. And if you go on the right side, what is this? So as you can see, and if you go on the right side, you can see this is the one more area from where you can add task. Yep, you can add task from here. You can also add this from this in inbox. You can also label it, prioritize it, or set a reminder. Now moving forward, like here, open help and information. If you want any more help, you can also ask from here. Now this is the open notification. If you open it, you will find some notification which you maybe you have missed some reminders or tasks. This will show you over here. So now we want to see how many subscription we could have. So we are going to check from here. We go in this profile picture and click on it. We go down here, upgrade to pro. This will open a new window and it shows the subscription plan for you guys. So obviously with $0 which we are using right now, we have 5 active projects at a time, 5 collaborators per project at a time, 5 MB file uploads, not more than this, 3 filters, 1 week activity history. But if we go only $4, you can see we have 300, 25, 100 MB file, 150 filters. So there's a lot of things you are getting with $4. And if we go more like business way, you can add two more dollars into $4, which we will have $6, and you can have extra amount of things which you cannot have in free subscription, obviously. So these are some pricing they have compared here, and I think these are the one of the best plan I have ever seen. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.